Hi everyone, I'm Fikri and this is my friend.
Hi everyone, I am Zhi Quan and this is my friend.
Hi everyone, I'm Fikri and today we are going to talk about
Secondary
storage.
So we are going to talk about what is secondary storage.
What are the characteristics of secondary storage?
And what are the examples of secondary storage?
What is secondary storage? Secondary storage refers to storage devices and media that are not constantly accessible by a computer system. It is non-volatile that can store programs regardless of power. And it also permanent storage that can store data permanently. There are four characteristics of secondary storage. Firstly is media. It is physical materials that host data and programs. Then capacity. It refers to how much the media can be held. Next is storage devices. It is the hardware that reads data and programs. Lastly is access speed, which refers to amount of time required to retrieve data from storage.
There are three examples of secondary storage. First is hard disk, which can save files by altering the magnetic charge of the disk surface to represent ones and zeros. Next is optical disk, which can use threads and sectors to organize and store files but only use a single thread unlike the hard drive. And then is solid state device, which is the storage that store and retrieve digital information using only electronic circuit without using any moving parts. There are two types of hard disk. First is internal, which is located inside the system unit and used to store program and data files. And next is external, which is removable and used to complement internal hard disk. There are three examples of optical disks, which are Blu-ray, CD, and DVD. And the largest storage of optical disk is Blu-ray, followed by DVD, and then CD. There are three examples of solid-state storage. First is solid-state drivers, which is faster and more durable than hard disks. And then is flash memory cards, which is widely used in laptops, smartphones, and GPS navigation system. And next is USB drivers, which is connected to USB port, and normally its capacity is from 1 GB to 256 GB.
For the example of secondary storage, we have cloud storage and mass storage devices. Cloud storage is a program on the internet that acts as a cloud of servers which is supplied by servers that provide cloud storage or online storage. Meanwhile, for mass storage devices, it is used in purpose to meet the needs of organizations requiring large amounts of secondary storage requirements. Next, the example of cloud storage are Google, Amazon, Apple, Microsoft, and Dropbox. Next, example of mass storage devices are file servers, network attached storage, RAID systems, and organizational cloud storage.
Thank you for watching this video. That's all from us. Bye.
Bye bye. Oh, bye 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 bye.